Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. Shout out to everybody who subscribe to my channel, likes my videos, comments on my videos, and most of all, wanna share my videos them. So big up on yourself. One love. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video, or you can pause the video, run go subscribe and come back so you don't forget. Guys, please note that I'll be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing. A massive shout out to all my clients in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland. We are talking about people who travel from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journey with me, and to all the clients who traveled from other countries to start their hair journey with me. Big up on yourself, one love, when you don't know all the things set and the things set good and proper. This client traveled all the way from Scotland to start his hair journey with me a month ago prior to this video, and his hair was very short, like 1 centimeter short to be exact, and today we're looking at 2 inches of hair growth in just 1 month. So guys, the proof is there and it is documented that my Speechless hair care products are extraordinary and they continue to provide extraordinary results. You've not only seen proof on my husband's hair growth journey, but you've also seen plenty of proof from my clients' hair growth journeys. If you like this video, please press like because I like it. Share it because sharing is caring. And comment your thoughts. Even if you don't have nothing good to say, I still would like to hear your thoughts and views on this tutorial. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my clients' hair growth journey and my hairstyles and things. Up. Guys, please don't forget that I'll be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing.